Hello Vogue, my name is Natalia Vodinova and today I'm going to walk you through my morning routine and just my easy everyday makeup. Let's go! I start with my hair and that means brushing my hair very simply. Especially the ends. My hair does tend to get really dry, and so I always carefully brush the ends first, not to get too much of my ends to split. I love this leave-in hair treatment by Agustinus Bader, and I'm gonna use just a little bit. It's so liquid that it comes out before I really want it, but anyway, it's amazing. And so I put it on my ends like this, and I'm going to attach my hair while I do all the rest. I'm gonna kind of create this little chignon bun. There we go. You see, it's not moving. I don't even need elastic. I don't know if it's a good thing or bad thing, but it's like this. So now that the hair is taken care of, I'm going to start preparing my skin. I'm gonna use Decree to just spray a lot of it on. There we go. It's so good in the morning. Just wakes me up. And just gonna wipe it off. Well, I use this serum by Wamelis. It's Japanese cosmetics that actually you can't find, I'm sorry girls, anywhere in US, France, Europe, but only in Japan. So I'm going to Japan next week actually to get some more. But luckily I love Japan and I have a lot of friends that kindly bring it to me, but it's really just a nice Japanese, simple, but it's really good and very moisturizing and has all the collagen and vitamins that we need. I use it as a serum before applying the cream, and I can actually do my little massage that I do every day like that. Well, those wrinkles are there, so every day we are saying hello to each other, and just I'm sort of doing a little prayer here to say, please give me a little bit more time before you show too much. I always had these wrinkles, and I remember my mom always tapping me on the forehead saying, stop wrinkling your forehead. So yes, I still wrinkle my forehead a lot. So this is not something I do every day, but I really love it to feel really fresh. I use this when I have a little extra time. Mojave Desert Skin Shield Eye Wash. I met Patricia, the founder. She invited me to have a treatment with her at Beaumarchais here in Paris, and she's amazing. Her products are amazing. I love her oils as well. But this is really something that, especially when I'm tired, it really saves my eyes. And it's fun. It's really much more fun than a normal eye drop. There is a ritual about it. So we just put a little bit, and this suction, it's stuck. Oh my goodness, I don't even know what I look like, but it doesn't matter. And then I just roll my eye. Oh, it's so good. Okay. And now I'm going to use this eye contour with Black Rose from Sisley. I love the smell, and my eyes are very sensitive area for me because I'm not a morning person. I wake up with eye bags, so this little massage is really good. I will also take care of my eyebrows by applying this little serum, and eyelashes too. And last but not least, my cream. This one is really special. It's Beautiful packaging by Heide Ackermann for Augustinus Bader. Okay, a little bit more massage. Okay, we're getting there, bear with me. On the neck as well. You are speeding up. Don't forget, this is a really good tip. When you put cream on your face, just rub it into your hands as well, whatever is left, because we should never forget our hands. So this is the last step of prepping my skin, putting really strong SPF. I already got some spots from having all those babies and giving them all my goodness. So avoiding that as much as possible. And even if I'm in Paris and the sun doesn't appear to be always there, but it is, and I protect my skin every day. In winter, in summer, of course, goes without saying, all year long. I like this one because it's quite fine, so I can really, again, rub it in, and it's not gonna annoy me when I'm doing my makeup. It's not gonna show through. Now that my skin is all hydrated and prepared, protected, we can start with the makeup. So I'll start with the foundation. This Sisley and this Terracotta by Guerlain. So a little bit of the two. Just placing it first everywhere. A little bit here. Now for the few sensitive spots, I'm gonna use this concealer from e.l.f. So a bit under my eyes, a little bit here, by spot. My children say it looks like a heart, so they actually like it. It's very cute. But I'm kind of ready to say goodbye to it. I heard of this treatment called BBL. I think I'm gonna go for it. But shh. Don't tell my kids, they'll be sad. Look at this beauty, shiny. So with terracotta I will put some on my temples. There we go, to frame my face. And then high on my cheekbones. Actually almost like a blush. I love the way it's then contrasts with the eyes. It's sort of optical illusion to make the pockets under my eyes disappear. And now eyebrows. I use this pencil by Anastasia. Eyebrows are a very important part of my face. I love them. So I was plucking them like every single girl, teenage girl, when I was, I think, 14, and then my grandmother caught me and said, "Do not do this. You will see one day, you'll thank me. Don't pluck out your beautiful eyebrows. It's the most important feature of your face." Well, I still plucked, but just not as much as I probably would if she didn't tell me this. Thank you, Granny. I love my eyebrows. Thank you. Now the eyeliner. Just a little bit. I know it looks dark and it feels like I'm doing evening makeup, but no, I'm gonna use just a little bit and smudge it in. So I'm gonna put actually between my eyelashes and even a little bit on my eyelashes. I love the effect, because then when I apply the mascara, it's gonna be even thicker. And now I'm going to just take a little bit of this very pretty colors. Why not a little bit of this green? Just a little bit. I do love the color green, as you can tell. It looks pretty with blue, my blue eyes, and I do have sometimes in some pictures my eyes come out green. Maybe just a little bit of light in the corner. A little bit, not really, not much. Here we go. Now I'm gonna curl them. My eyelashes are really light, but actually they're quite long. I'm happy. I'm going to use for mascara this Dark Star by Pat McGrath. The eyes are done. Now the lips. You see my lips are a little, this white contour around. So I'm going to just go a little bit around it. So I'm gonna just leave it like that and go over it with this little beauty by Guerlain. Well, there is a mirror as well, which is very useful on the go. So, the last step, I'm gonna undo my hair, and I brushed it, so you see this, the bun gave me some little curls. And to finish my hair, I'm gonna use some McKnight's Cool Girl. I love this product, it's so easy, so I'll just go in the little bit in the roots just to give a little extra volume. Ready! Now get dressed and be on my way. Woo! Et voilà! This was Natalia Vodinova. Thank you, Vogue, and hopefully see you soon. Bye!